Okay, today we are going to be working on Math Boxes 2.7. Alright, on the first box, all you have to do is fill in the unit to solve and then solve. So let's do a unit. Let's do dogs. It's something we like to do in class all the time. So dogs. So we have to do our first basic fact. So we're going to do 17 minus 8, and we know that 17 minus 8 is 9. So we're going to do that basic fact is going to help us with our two extension facts here. Okay, so 17 minus 8 is 9, but I'm in the tens place value, so I have to show it as 9 tenths, which would be 90. Now we have 17 minus 8. We know that's 9, but we're in the hundredths place value, so it's just 9. It's 9 hundredths, so we would put down our hundredths. Number 2, Tiara played violin for 50 minutes in all. She played 35 minutes on Wednesday and played some more on Thursday. How many minutes did she play on Thursday? Okay, we're going to give a number model with a question mark. So let's go back. We know she played 50 minutes in all, so we have our total. And we know that she played 35 minutes on Wednesday. We want to find out how much did she play on Thursday. So since we have our total, we can write our total down, we can write our total down, which is 50 minus what we played on Wednesday, which was 35 minutes, and that's going to equal our unknown for our question mark, okay? Or we could also do, down here, we could do 35 plus question mark, which would then equal 50, and question mark being the unknown on Thursday. So if we take and we subtract that, we get 15 minutes. You could have used a number line if you needed to, an open number line to solve that. Number 3, Dakota divides an 18-inch leather strip into 3 equal pieces to make a bracelet. How long is each piece? You may draw a picture. Okay, so he has 18 inches long, and he has 3 equal pieces. So if we had to, we could draw and say, okay, here's my 3 sections here. We want to get to 18, so I can put 1 in each one until I get to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I have 6 in each one, so my answer here would be 6 inches. Now that's my strategy. If you have a different strategy you would like to use, you could use that also. Number 4, divide the rectangle into fourths. That means 4 equal parts. So we can take it and go right in the middle of both sections, which gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Use words to name one part. Well, if I have 4 parts, I have 1 out of 4 or 1/4. Okay, and it says use words to name all the parts. So if I take all the parts, then I would have 4/4. Okay. And our last one. Jamie leaves her house at 8:05 a.m. and arrives at her friend's house at 8:50 a.m. How long does it take her to get to her friend's house? So let's use our open number line again, and we'll start. We know our start time is 8:05, and we know our end time is 8:50. So we want to go from 8:05 to 8:50. Boys and girls, once again, it's whatever, how big of jumps you're used to doing. So let's go to the next, get to our tens. They seem to be the easiest. So we had to plus 5 minutes to get there. Okay. Let's do plus 20, which gets me to 8:30. And then I can do 8:30 to 8:50 is plus 20 more. Okay, and if I add those up, I have 5 plus 20 is 25, plus 20 more gives me 45 minutes. Okay, that concludes our lesson 2.7 in our math boxes.